Hey everybody, it's Jeb Smith here, and I decided to do my video on the ESRI GIS system. So, what is GIS? Well, quite simply, it's a geographic information system, and it's used to basically compile different resources and pieces of information in order to basically come up with a fully integrated information system. Um, in this case, you'll see the diagram to the right is really depicting its use in operations, asset management, and project management, along with tons of other different practical applications. So in this case, there's a layer of, like, for example, events, streets, and land parcels that can really literally be applied to a real world landscape. And I'm sort of investigating the different mountain operations that utilize GIS and the RSI GIS system that's been around for a little while now. So, moving on. So what is it? Well, it basically allows users to integrate real-time information and allows you to effectively coordinate maintenance teams, safety operations, management teams, and future projects. Really, everything's based off of well, all project decisions can be based off of real-time information, which is compiled by the system. So just for a little taste, we have your ski operations, your snowmaking operations, and your maintenance operations that all sort of compile and roll themselves into one under this system and really produce the end result, which is the desired you skiing that fresh snow. So it really has practical uses within daily operations, but collectively is a project management asset. So in its relation to different mountain operations, we really have something I would call the trifecta here: the assets, hazards, and construction that really are rolled up into mountain projects. Ski resorts generally use asset management as their primary source of income, but also it's sort of a maintaining your ability to keep your mountain safe, keep your people happy. Project optimization really breaks down to your ability to coordinate your personnel and really your future operations and future considerations for improvement in construction. So geomapping and parcel management. This is a picture of Breckenridge, really depicting the telecom sections, which helps fully balance their personnel on the mountain in response to either emergencies or different demands that might be faced in daily operation. Parcel management, again, is sort of distinguishing different zones on the mountain. You can see here you have different zones that are distinguished between their color shade and overlaid over top of that mountain. And this is really for identifying and labeling particular areas, ownership, property rights, and what a resort might control, or a state entity, even the national forest, for example. So moving on to something like snowmaking, we have a diagram here basically depicting an overlay of Breckenridge's snowmaking operations and their interface that would typically be seen inside a GIS, inside our GIS system, really breaking it down from the catalog tree and being able to assimilate a particular entity like a snow gun or a reservoir stream that helps share that data with your operations personnel and really allows them to service their equipment easier and also allocate the resources that are necessary to maintain proper reservoir levels. Avalanche management, another huge component to mountain operations, whether it's on the highway or it's somewhere else. Just an example here, we have Loveland Pass and the areas depicted in red are severe graded areas that have a higher propensity for avalanches. 36 degrees or greater are these red shaded areas, and it's really a critical way for blasting teams to identify where they need to go, what they need to hit in order to make sure that people are safe on the roads and people are safe on the mountains. Basic breakdown on your impacts from a single area of the project. Really starting off from a desktop interface, really ArcGIS has the capability of reaching mobile and other desktops, internal and external users. So it's quite critical to information exchange, which helps makes management decisions on a daily basis and coordinate those projects. So in summary, it's a powerful tool, and you can integrate a lot of different things with it. It's something that really needs to be understood to fully utilize its power, but it has allowed ski resorts, highway operations to more efficiently manage their assets, whether it's physical or personal, and it really optimizes operations on an entirely new scale. So thanks for watching. Just remember, whenever you're skiing out there, that it's not all simple. Things like this take a lot of time, money, and energy, and information systems like ArcGIS make it happen. Thanks.